Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to run Facebook ads for power washing business. And I'm going to show you guys some practical images that you can use. And I'm going to show you guys step by step how to put everything in Ads Manager. And so that way you can start running Facebook ads for your power washing business, like 2-day, 2-night type thing. So let's get going. Basically, I am in the Facebook ads library right now. And so I'm in the Facebook ads library. Okay. Now I typed in power washing. You can actually do this on your laptop. I don't like to look at these ads because they're pretty recent. They haven't been running very long. So that tells me these people don't really know if these ads work or not. They're just testing them. Okay. But the before and after pictures do work pretty well. So I realize that these people know what they're doing because the before and after pictures, I know those work. So I would definitely use those in your ad if you have any before and after pictures. If you don't have any before and after pictures, just go straight to Google, type in power washing before and after, and we will get a bunch here. Okay. Before and after. Okay, so you see a bunch of pictures here from Google. Just take one of these and you're good to go. That's all you really need. And then I like to use ads where the power washing is before and after. I also like to use ads where there's a person in the picture and it's a before and after picture. So have this and then have you in the picture with the customer smiling with a thumbs up at the same time. That's the perfect ad I like to use. And then yeah, that's the perfect ad I like to use. So let's just say you made the perfect ad right there and you did that and everything. Okay. And you go to Ads Manager. You need a Facebook business page set up and you need your payment information set up in Facebook Ads Manager already so you can start running ads. Okay. And I like to run $5 a day campaigns, so messaging campaigns. So we're going to click the create button here and we're going to create a messaging campaign to drive people to your Facebook page. And then we're going to ask them for their phone number and then we're going to call them on the phone. So it goes from they see your ad, Facebook business page, they message you, and then you say, hey, what's your phone number? And then you call them on the phone. Then you show up to their house and power wash their house. Okay, that's how it goes. So you just click the next button here. We don't touch anything on that page. And you'll scroll down, put your page that you put for your business thing. Just put what your page is, put it right there, and change this to $5 a day because Facebook wants you to spend a lot of money, but we don't want to do that. So we're going to start at $5 a day. Okay. And then see ad maybe get 0 results. Facebook is basically garbage at that point. You just, ignore that. We'll scroll down here. And you'll type in your city right here. Okay. So type in your city. Mine's St. Louis. So my city, St. Louis, 25-mile radius. Okay. So 25-mile radius is usually good. You can go to 35-mile radius, but you might have to drive further and it's really not worth it when you can just set it to 25 miles. Okay. So just set it to 25 miles. Do all genders and everything like that. And leave it on advantage placements. We're not doing manual placements right now. Your image, like I said before, go to Google Images and just put your media here. I'm just going to put this image just that way, it's easy. This isn't the image that you want. I just like to have that image a lot. You're going to call out your area. So you say, hey, St. Louis and nearby areas. So St. Louis and nearby areas, you would put your city and nearby areas in there and you would say, we offer, and then put your services. So you called them out and now they're reading your ad and they're going to read what services you offer. And then they understand what services you offer and they're like, oh, I want that service. And then you're going to put a call to action down here, call/text 555-555-5555. And then they're going to be like, oh, that's me. I'm from St. Louis. Oh, I want power washing. Oh, call his phone number. Okay, I'm going to call right now. So that's what they would do. They would just literally call that phone number. That's how the funnel goes. They go from bam, 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 bam. We're just doing a funnel. Okay. And then also what you want to do is copy this part and you're going to put it right in here. Okay. And then another thing, put a little water emoji in here also because people like emojis in the headline right here. So put a little water emoji in there. And then this I like to ask for their phone number in this part, so that's what I would do there, okay? Because we always want to get the phone number and get them on the phone call, okay? It's easier to close people on the phone than it is through, other things. And then what you'll do is you'll go over here, click the three dots, click duplicate, bring this up to 4 copies, show existing reactions, click duplicate, and then we'll test 5 pictures, all with the same text. And we'll see which picture does the best, okay? So we're basically just testing to see which picture is going to get us the best result. Click the X button here, click review and then publish everything at the same time. And then basically you're just seeing which one has the best result right here in this column. It's going to have a certain cost per message. So based on how much money it spent, this one may spend $4. It may be at $4 per message. This one may be $3 per message. You just leave the one on that works the best. And then basically that's how you do it. And I would run this for 1 to 2 weeks before you turn it off. Actually, 1 week is all you really need to, test it. But I would test, I would say 1 to 2 weeks on the pictures. I can usually tell because I'm better at this. And I can just tell if an ad's going to work or not based on the click-through rate and based on other factors. But I would just leave it on for 1 to 2 weeks before you shut the whole campaign down to see if one of these guys gets you a good cost per message. Okay. So I covered literally every single thing you need to know about Facebook ads, and I was actually looking up Facebook ads for power washing. I do see a couple people in this space. It looks like this guy really does a lot of Facebook ads for power washing. I haven't watched any of his content yet, but he didn't do any retargeting Facebook ads. So I'm actually going to do retarget Facebook ads in the future. So you can retarget anyone who's visited your website. You can actually retarget those people over and over again. That way, the people from your website get retargeted specifically. That way, you can close those people. So if someone, hangs up the phone, they're like, "Sure, I'll check your website out." They check the website out, and then they actually they get retargeted specifically. And I haven't seen any retarget videos that this guy's made on that, but on my channel, I will be coming out with more like retarget ads that go over how to retarget for power washing, because I've done a lot of other videos on retargeting. So HVAC tutorial on how to redo retarget Facebook ads. So you do want to be running these new ads, but at the same time, you do want to be doing retarget ads. Okay, so that's all I want to say on that. And I'm going to drop my course, which is down in the description below. And without further ado, I will catch you guys on the next video. So see you guys.